Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll machine the track, put a stainless steel capping over the top of it, put a set of double rollers in the door, and then this door will move very, very easily. Be great. We'll tighten up the lock, adjust the door, all be fixed up, no problem at all. Okay, see you soon. Now here we are with our trend door, which we've repaired, and it is running well. I'll give you an example. Nice and smooth, and then it'll lock. There we are, locking and unlocking. Now what we've done today is we've taken the panel out and the screen off. To get the door out, we've put a nice new track down the bottom after we machined it. And then we put a set of double rollers in the door and a stainless steel capping over the machine track, which is very smooth like glass, harder than aluminium, will last longer than aluminium, and the door will slide like this for many years. And there we are, one trend door fixed up, ready to go.